Good morning, students. I welcome you all to today's English class. Today, we will be continuing our same poem, The Lotus by Toru. Lotus is a symbol of Hindu faith, Indian culture and Hindu religion. It also symbolizes means to represent something. Our nation, India. Toru uses the idea of Greek and Roman. Goddess of flora, Roman, goddess of flower or spring, and god of love, Cupid, Roman god of love, to create a Western understanding of Hinduism. The lotus also indicates a fusion between the East and the West. Rose stands for Eastern race, the native India because of its reddish skin. Lily indicates Western race because of its white color. The title Bards harkens back to 12th century Britain as the name given to poets. It is still used during Toru's time as a title of a respect to great poets. Shakespeare and Milton were both referred to as bards. Here, that calls attention to the traditional English poets who neglects to remember that there are other flowers or beauties in the world. As in the Patrician sonnet, here Patrician means a political reformer and a sonnet means a poem that has 14 lines containing 10 syllables and a fixed pattern of rhyme, which have a turn in the logic of the subject at the line 9, referred to as volta. This poem also presents a paradoxical twist, a resolution. This twist comes when we are introduced into a poem into a new flower called lotus. Toru's nature, love, is depicted in this poem. There will be no end in the dispute between the lily and rose unless a new flower came into existence, because both the flowers have some positive qualities of their own. If the rose is romantic and delicious, the lily is very regal and stately in stature. Toru thus beautifully uses the so-called conflict between those two flowers to comment upon the excellence of the status. So, at last, we can conclude that Toru's love for Indian flower and Hindu mythology is clearly visible in this simple